Welcome back everyone. A few weeks ago, I showed you 6 ways that you can flavour your homemade yogurt. This week, I've got another 6 for you. Using just a few staple pantry ingredients for each version, you can really add some flavour and flair to your homemade yogurt. First up, we have a Baklava inspired yogurt. Using half a cup of your homemade yogurt, add 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 1/4 cup of crushed walnuts, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix it all up and then top with some crushed pistachios. Next up, we've got a gingerbread crumble yogurt. Using half a cup of your homemade yogurt, some maple syrup or honey to sweeten, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, top with 2 to 3 crushed ginger biscuits and some chopped walnuts. Now we've got a pecan pie yogurt. Starting with half a cup of homemade yogurt, mix in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of date paste, or you could use 1 to 2 chopped medjool dates. Add some maple syrup or honey for extra sweetness and top with some crushed pecans. For a salted caramel yogurt, mix together half a cup of homemade yogurt with 1/4 cup of date paste and a pinch of salt. Next, we've got a bounty yogurt. Starting with half a cup of homemade yogurt, mix in half a teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, and some maple syrup or honey to sweeten. Top with some desiccated coconut, and for extra depth of flavour, you could lightly toast the coconut. Finally, for a chai spiced yogurt, start with half a cup of homemade yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cardamom, and a pinch of ground cloves. Add some maple syrup, honey, or your sweetener of choice to taste. No more boring yogurt. You can really add a lot of flair and creativity to your yogurts using simple pantry staples. You can make individual portions like we've done here, great for grab and go, or just setting yourself up for the week ahead. You can scale it up and make a big portion in your Luvele glass jar. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. Check out our blog on our website. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another video.